Hello everyone. Welcome to Vocabulary Part 1. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Word 1. Allow. Allow means to give permission. My parents allow me to go out at night. The teacher allows students to ask questions. This app does not allow free downloads. Word 2. Appear. Appear means to come into sight or seem. The moon appears in the night sky. He appears nervous before the exam. A new message appeared on my phone. Word 3. Arise. Arise means to happen or begin. Problems arise when we do not plan. A conflict may arise at work. New opportunities can arise anytime. Word 4. Appoint. Appoint means to choose someone for a position. She was appointed as manager. The company appointed a new CEO. He was appointed to lead the team. Word 5. Aim. Aim means a goal or purpose. My aim is to get a good job. Her aim is to help others. We must aim high in life. Word 6. Advise. Advice means to give a suggestion. The doctor advised rest. My friend advised me to study daily. Teachers advise students to be disciplined. Word application. Application means a formal request. I filled out a job application. Submit the application before Monday. Her college application was accepted. Word advertise. Advertise means to promote something. The company advertised on television. They advertise products online. The shop advertised a big sale. Word agent. Agent means a person who represents others. He is a travel agent. She contacted a property agent. The agent booked my tickets. Word announce. Announce means to make information public. The school announced holidays. They announced the exam results. The company announced a new product. Outro. Practice these words every day. Use them in your own sentences. Your English will improve step by step. See you in Vocabulary Part 2.